Welcome back on the journey to $5,000. And in this challenge, I'm going to trade my account from $540 into $5,000, showing you that it's possible to become profitable with day trading. Today, I had no win, no loss, so all good. That means that we had a break-even trade, and that means that the trade was well managed. And of course, I do a full breakdown of this trade to my students that are part of my community, where I teach them exactly what I'm doing for my other strategies into this 1-minute gold strategy, where I show you how I trade this account to $5,000. But now let's jump into the trade and let's go into the charts. All right, so to start the analysis, we have to understand what our higher time frame is telling us. And what we can see is that we have a nice resistance area on top of this range. Now that we understand our higher time frame narrative and that we want to long this thing, I went on to the 15-minute time frame to understand what structure is telling me. We're bullish, we have a low, high, higher low, higher high, all internal structure, obviously. We also have a very nice trend line, meaning that if price wants to trade into this demand area, I want to short, but now it's up here and I want it to long. Now let's jump into the 1-minute price action to show you what I did. So the 1-minute price action is telling the real sauce here. And the thing is that we had a nice support area, we had a nice resistance area, we tapped into the resistance area, broke bearish internally, yes, but the moment we tapped into this little supply zone and just went long. The only thing is that my take profit wasn't just on an obvious point. It was just to minimize the risk to reward to 1.8 R. It nearly got hit twice, but then it melted down to my break-even trade, came into this supply, respected it, and then moved down. So all good, no problem at all. It could be a winning trade, but it wasn't. So break-even trade. So what I'm doing on the 1-minute time frame, I'm also doing on higher time frames with EU and GU, trading those pairs from 4 hours to hour, 15-minute, 5-minute entries on the 1 minute to get those perfect entries. And I'm teaching that stuff, and you can join my Discord. It's open. The link is in my bio, and I will share more updates. I have a few free lessons that you can look on understanding the way that I trade and how I go against the crowd, against the masses. Because if we know that 90% of people lose money in this industry, the only thing we have to do is do the exact opposite. All right, see you on the inside and see you tomorrow on a new day. Cheers.